Welcome to our tutorial on setting up your first online banking account. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the process of creating and using your online banking account effectively and securely. So, let's get started. Setting up your first online banking account, step-by-step tutorial. Have you ever wondered how to set up an online banking account? Are you eager to take control of your financial management without leaving your home? Then you've come to the right place. Step 1. Researching and choosing a bank. The first step in setting up your online banking account is researching and choosing the right bank. Consider factors such as reputation, account options, fees, and online security measures. Take your time to find the perfect match for your financial needs. Tips for choosing the right bank. 1. Look for a bank with a user-friendly interface and comprehensive online banking features. 2. Ensure the bank has robust security measures in place, such as two-factor authentication. 3. Read reviews and compare fees associated with different bank accounts. 4. Take note of the bank's customer service availability and responsiveness. Step 2. Gathering required information. Once you've chosen a bank, gather all the required information and documents to streamline the account setup process. This typically includes your identification documents, social security number, proof of address, and employment details. Commonly required information. 1. Valid identification documents such as a driver's license or passport. 2. Social security number or equivalent identification number. 3. Proof of address, such as a utility bill or lease agreement. 4. Employment details, including income and workplace information. Step 3. Initiating the account setup process. With all the required information at hand, it's time to initiate the account setup process. Head to the bank's website and look for the Sign Up or Create an Account option. Follow these steps to create your account. 1. Visit the bank's website and locate the account creation page. 2. Click on the Sign Up or Create an Account button. 3. Fill in the necessary personal information as prompted, ensuring accuracy. 4. Agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy. 5. Create a strong, unique password and select additional security measures, such as security questions. Step 4. Verifying your identity. To ensure the security of your online banking account, banks often require identity verification. This step helps prevent unauthorized access and protects your financial information. Identity verification methods may include 1. Uploading scanned copies of identification documents. 2. Answering security questions related to your personal history. 3. Receiving a verification code via SMS, email, or phone call. Step 5. Activating your account. Once your identity is verified, you're just steps away from accessing your online banking account. Most banks require you to activate your account before gaining full functionality. Steps to activate your account. 1. Check your email for an activation link or code. 2. Click on the provided link or enter the code on the bank's activation page. 3. Set up any additional security features if prompted. Step 6. Exploring online banking features. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your online banking account. Now it's time to explore the vast array of features and tools available to help you manage your finances efficiently. Some common online banking features include 1. Viewing account balances and transaction history. 2. Transferring funds between accounts, including external accounts. 3. Setting up automatic bill payments and scheduled transfers. 4. Downloading statements and financial data for budgeting purposes. 5. Contacting customer support for assistance or inquiries. Thank you for joining us on this step-by-step tutorial on setting up your first online banking account. We hope this guide has equipped you with the knowledge and confidence to embrace the convenience and security of online banking. Remember, managing your finances online offers unmatched accessibility and control, 24/7. Stay tuned for more informative videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates. Until next time. Setting up your first online banking account, step-by-step tutorial.